Okay, so this is what happens when I go to PO Manager. I do this. It comes up and it says that I ordered 10 C0. So when I click on it, this is exactly what we're looking for. Say quantity to order, that can be adjusted. Quantity received, I said let's say 2. The price stays the same, 266, and I come here and I can put an invoice number. That's perfect. Add $5 freight. That's good. So when I say save, this is what I'm getting. So let's say if I change it to just an even number, and it allows it to work. But it goes away. So what I need to do is be able to go back to the screen, so it won't go away. And it says complete. So I need to be able to to adjust it, and where I can make my changes, and it stays on the screen. And it stays on the screen where I say $5. And it stays on the screen. I'm not ready for it to go away and complete. I need it to stay on the screen, so I keep adjusting the other numbers and so on. So we need that to happen for a button so I can say complete.